friends, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and we are here to do a penny challenge update. You will notice, if you've seen me do this for quite a while, you're going to notice that this is a lot different. I actually found an error in this, so I had to redo it. And if you had bought this off of my Etsy store, I did send you a message within Etsy telling you that I found an error, and I sent you a link to the correction. So if you did buy something from me, buy this one anyway, buy this penny challenge from me, go check out any messages you have within Etsy, and it will have the link to that. So I redid the form, and I started redoing how I did it. I also took all of the random numbers and I added them up into just where we were, so we're kind of restarting with that. But I need to count up all the cash, and I will be right back with what we are doing today. So see you then. Alright, so got this all organized. Let's count it up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10.02. So 10.02. Go ahead and put this in the jars. Those are driving me nuts. Okay, let me see if I can get got you scooted in. That might be too close. All right, so $10.02 minus 307 is right. I'm gonna pull this out. I don't want to get color all over myself this time. So $6.95 minus 306. Okay, so 389 minus 3.05. Okay. Okay, so then we have 84 cents left. Let's see, there is 84. All right, so then we are all caught up with the penny challenge updates, and I will be back with another one next week. I'm really excited to get past the $3 mark because we've been working on that for quite a while. It'll be exciting for that to be in the past. All right, thanks for being here with me and going along my pity challenge journey to save up $802 as soon as possible. Love it if it was at the end of the year, not expecting it to be the end of the year. But until the next time, thanks for being here with me. Bye.